In our November painting challenge, we painted chickens. In this video, you're gonna see the process of my final watercolor painting. This is only a 10 minutes version. The detailed full lessons is about 1.5 hours. If you want to join the community and learn and have fun with us, and join our monthly member painting challenge, you can click on the link to join us now. Now I'm going to take a little light color, directly paint with watercolor. Put something down, don't be afraid of it. We can erase it. You want to look at the reference at the same time as you look at your drawing study. Otherwise, kind of waste the previous step. Look a little bit scary because, whoa, what about I make mistakes? I think this is fine. It's just let go of the fear of just have to be precise and correct, and think more as fun. Okay, I just set a little color in, making sure I see the white space. Like say the mouth over here, the white space. So I'm not going to fill in the white space. Now take a look at the tail of the chicken on the back. Okay, now coming over here and underneath the shape. Okay, that's good. Like that. And the legs, take a look at the leg. The leg on this side. The leg a little bit red and purple. Part of the leg actually in the light area. So that's good for now. Set a little base colors on the top over here for the comb. That's good. Get a little bit more Windsor blue, and I'm gonna put the color in here. When you get into color, you don't want to forget the value contrast. So let's set a little color over here. I might change it later. Don't get into the detail. Think about the detail too early. Okay, this is a good color for this location. Make it a little bit darker, like this. I'm going to give a little brown colors. So just get the yellow color in here. That's become brown. I'm going to get a little bit more water. I'm going to come in over here. And this transitions right over here. That's good. And give a little suggestions, some detail over here. But we don't have to make it too clear. Give a little texture, like this. Over here, I want to give a little suggestions of something going on. So I'm just going to give a little bit blue colors. I'm going to say, in our suggestions, there is a chicken in this location. I'm just going to ping around this area. And I'm going to add a little bit red color. Add a little bit red, a little bit yellow. I'm going to add, this is probably too bright. So I'm going to mix a little bit blue color in here. I'm probably going to put it right here. So it suggested that actually a warm color body in here could be a chicken. Like that. Okay, on this I have a little bit cooler color. So get a little bit blue color over here. Like that. Maybe this shapes a little bit lower. Like this. So don't rush into the details or the detail on the face yet. We need to get the color gradually close in, right? Because we want to relax, we want to have fun. So don't rush yourself and try to keep a peace of mind. It's very important to have a good process, that you divide this, the whole painting process, the whole painting procedures into smaller pieces, more manageable. So this is why I'm presenting to you. This is a relaxing process. This is close to dry, so I come down over here, give a little shape. I'm going to start laying catch the shadow color under the wings. When you come over to this side, it has a little triangle like that. It's good. This will be a nice color, make it a little cooler. Okay, now take a look. And there's part of the feather over here. It's gonna be a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna use the corner of this flat brush. It's just put a little color in here. Oh, that's good. And the edge, take a look at the edge over here. It's good. I'm making sure the cast shadows only come down to here. Okay. Now I want to dilute the color. When I have those color merge into the existing color like this, and I can add a little red color. There are little red colors right here. So make it look like could be part of the chicken. Like that. That's fine. A little bit over here too. For the cast shadow of this chicken. So let's take a look. I screen my eye to find the location. That will be here. Now coming to the other side. Surrounded the light colors, and you don't have to paint the light color because all we try to find is the contrast. Now we finish the shape of the cast shadow of this chicken, and which just looks good. Now I'm gonna come into this chicken. We turn back to the 1-inch flat brush. I'm gonna give it a little bit color because I need to make the claw and that legs to stand out. I need to have darker color around it. A little bit like a sprinkle first. I'm gonna take a look, and this is the color, all the color together. Good enough. What I want to do, give a little bit. You see. So make the ground, the floor, a little bit more dusted. I want to start do some adjustment. The first thing I see over here, this shape is incorrect because when you have a straight line like this, showing that the chicken's body is a little flat, even coming in and then coming out. Not like that. Actually, curve this way instead of curve this way, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash a little bit off over here, so they don't have to do thinking about that much when you start painting. So you can do this afterward. This watercolor paper I use is Arches. Consider a little bit less easy than Strathmore or other paper. So this is very easy. As soon as you use the correct brush and have enough water in the brush, you can lift up almost like every colors. Now I'm gonna make this a little bit softer now here. Remove the hot contrast over here. So looking for what's the color? Look a little bit light brown colors. I'm gonna take this orange color into here, and now I'm gonna make this color a little bit darker. Okay. Now we focus on the small details. Just for the focal point area. Pretty easy, huh? When you get the very much the big part of the painting is already done. I'm gonna get a little bit red color, even a little bit darker than that. Now coming over here, see the shade, the turning. Okay, now I'm gonna give it even darker color for the deeper color between the two lips, then in the mouth. I'm gonna take this color, maybe a little bit more blue. Okay. Right in here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on notification. And please come to visit us at enjoyingart.com or come to our Patreon page. I will see you in our next lesson. This month's prize is sponsored by our friends Lightwish. I have the product links in the description. Please come to visit them.